Hello everyone, and welcome to MidNight Market Diaries, another episode. And in this, we will also look at the weekly analysis for the global markets, crypto markets, and also the Indian markets like Nifty and BankNifty. So, if we start our analysis for the next week, then for the Nifty, as we were confirmed over here that it's going to be downward trend. So first of all, on Friday we got a nice downward side, and then I think tomorrow we will be opening gap down of around 500 points. So it would be somewhere around 22,400. Yeah. So I think you will be rich if you are listening to this Midnight Market Diaries. And if we look at the weekly, weekly is also looking like bearish, and I think we need to test this downside wick, and we are definitely going to uh, check this out, check this day low wick too. I think so. If we are going like this much, so there's no doubt about it that we are in weak market, and this low may get tested, and if we go to intraday or this charts of 75 minutes. Okay, I think we will be opening somewhere around this point. So this is the gap over here. If you will see closely, we closed over here, and then the max point that we covered was somewhere around here. So this is a gap area, and okay, now this gap will not work. We are going to go down below this too. Uh, these levels will be cleared. I think we are doomed. No. So these levels are maybe a little point of hope or something, but they are not going to work because I think this all will be cleared out. Uh, but if you are trading in options and especially option buying, then I would suggest that you just sleep the whole day out. Don't trade anything. That would be my personal advice because IV will be too high, and uh, you will be toasted with too much high IV and premiums to pay. So now let's look at Bank Nifty. It's surprisingly holding, but as in televisions and news channels, everyone will say that Bank Nifty looks strong. So all the retailers will jump into Bank Nifty and it will also become weak. So I would suggest not to jump into anything till the markets are looking so much weak. For now, I think if we will gap down, then I will think that we are going to open below 50,000 levels. So let's see what happens. But I would suggest that if the markets are weak, then don't jump into anything because the thing which are said strong on the televisions may also be weak. So just don't be in a too much hurry. Uh, it's a bit weak, but I'm not sure what to do for right now. So no commentary on Bank Nifty, but yeah, Nifty it looks pretty weak. And if we come to S&P 500, as I said, that this low of this week will surely get tested. And now I think that maybe we can go below this thing also, because 5121 is gone, and that's really with a strength. But in this downward market, if you have shorted from here, which we decided on our analysis, then you are a millionaire already, I think. But for now, it's not looking like to enter in a fresh trade because it will be suicidal for us. And similar analysis will be for Dow Jones and Nasdaq. They are also like that. They are also below this week. We have tested it as discussed. Okay, surprisingly, Nasdaq just took from there, but it will also get uh, broken and gone too. So don't hope that this support will work. It will get broken and we will go to these levels, I think. So that's it for the US markets. Now let us look at gold. And what I would tell you that gold is actually looking strong. This is just a weak sellers market over here. So I think below this, after taking some liquidity, it can again go up because here the thing which took this up. Like you can say that this is going up, but the volumes were declining a little bit. So here we got the weak buyers. So they will be kicked out around these levels, and around these levels of 3,000. I think we will go below 3,000 because it's a psychological level and everyone will become bearish after all. And then at around these 2980 levels, we can plan for new fresh longs in gold. Just gold is looking strong. Rest of the metals are going to get doomed. Let's look at copper because this was the best thing I did on Twitter and LinkedIn and all those things. We shorted around here, copper, and now we are here. So this four level will be definitely taken out as I know my analysis. So let's see what happens. But according to my analysis, this is going to get tested. And let's see silver. Okay, so it has already tested it. And you can see that the support levels which we draw, it made a nice wick over there. But I'm still not sure that it will work for a long time or not. I think it will get away now. Okay. So I think this support will not work in the next week ahead. We will go down. There's no doubt about it. So it's looking weak actually. Silver too. Do you know why silver, copper, and all these metals are weak, but gold is not? Uh, the one thing I want to tell you that these copper, silver, aluminum, all these are actually industrial metals. So as we will hit the recession, the industrial production and all those things will be hit badly. But gold is somewhat like a safe haven for storing money value. So gold is actually not falling that much. That's the reason of it's not falling. So now let us go to Bitcoin. Uh, So this level of hours worked pretty well. Now on Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube, people will say that US markets fell so much, but Bitcoin is holding. Don't trust on them because some things fall on first day, some things fall on second day. So it's holding a little bit, taking more buyers in, and I think it will go below these levels. This will be not holding too much for too long. Let me go to smaller time frames. Okay. For now, I think it will work till here. And the resistances which we have uh, given here. So, wait, let me see if we can have some new resistances. Okay. These were actually weak buyers. Mm, they got cooked. Uh, you can try to get some fresh shorts over this level or above these or above these. These three levels we have where we can plan for fresh shorts. Because for sure Bitcoin can't go too much ahead, I think. So it's going to go down only. But the point at which you short it matters a lot. So only these 3 points I can look for now. This point above these wicks or this final level. This is the ultimate level for shorting Bitcoin. If it comes here, then I think it's a nice place to short. Just that's it. What I want to tell. Uh, Now, if we will look at Ethereum, okay, Ethereum was already weak, and we have now broken this one. Uh, I still think that I should not have exited my 3939 shorts of Ethereum. I was short from here 3939. Oh man, I would have been rich by now. So these levels will be taken out. We will take out this too. And after that, I don't know where this thing will go. So let's hope it will not go to zero or something. It should soon find some bottom, but this is surely going to get down. This is going to get down, and are we having some supports ahead? Oh fuck. And it's okay. Uh, Now, what I want to say is just don't invest in Ethereum for now. This is not a buy or sell recommendation at all. It's just be much more cautious in Ethereum. That's what I want to say. I can't say much over here, but you should be a lot more cautious in Ethereum. So I think that's it that I wanted to say. Uh, and that's it for the US global markets and Indian markets. And sleep nicely. I know that the put sellers must be having a nightmare right now, but that's how the markets work. So they will condition your minds that no, we will sort this out, and slowly, the market will keep falling. That's how the markets work, and I think here you can short the Bitcoin. Okay, okay, okay. So that's it, guys. All the best for tomorrow. And the ones who will trade in options, I would say that sleep the day out, man. Don't trade. Don't even open the terminal. That's what I'm going to do. You can follow me on Twitter and LinkedIn. There I will post some fresh insights that I will see in the markets. And that's all. Thanks for watching.